tell y'all something. I haven't retwisted, resprayed down, put in a product. Wait, let me take a minute. Y'all see this highlight? Yes. But anyways, I haven't put in no other product in my hair besides relaying my edges. That's it. And it's just going on day 3, y'all. My hair still like is freshly done. Like literally, I've been putting my hair in ponytails, stretching the fuck out of these twists, and it's bomb. Like, y'all want some bomb twist? Keep watching this video so y'all can see how I did this, cause like, this is it. I've been getting so many compliments on it. This is it. So let's get into this video. Alright, you guys, so I did majority of my hair. All I have to do left is this little section, this little 4/4 section. As you guys saw in like the beginning clip, I had my hair in like these little sections. I had it in 5 sections. So I did not do any clean parts, like as far as how I wanted my sections to be. Only parts I actually did were for my subsections, which were like these, like here, like the straight across ones, like just that. But as far as like this section, this wasn't a particular neat part. I don't know if you can see that. So this one isn't either. So just want to point it out for you guys because I want to save time and I want it to look as natural as possible. It's kind of like the same thing as when I did my juicy 2-strand twist video. If you haven't seen that, I will list it down below, put it in the info cards. And the only thing that's different is the products that I'm using. So to moisturize my hair, I'm using my buttercream that I made myself. That's what I also used when I did my perm rods video. So I will list that video down below for you guys as well. And what else am I using? I'm using the Cream of Nature Argan Oil from Morocco to moisten my hair because to rehydrate my hair, I did that because I don't know if you guys saw, but I kind of lightly blow dried my hair to the point so that it can not, so basically I don't get sick because it's hot. I mean, not hot, because it's cold outside, and I just want it a little bit stretched so that my curls do not shrink up, but to where they're still juicy, they're still full, fluffy, whatever. So yeah, everything that I did on the rest of my hair, I'll do it here. Also on the ends of my hair, I used the Got To Be Ultra Gel. I used the, straighten off, you guys, I used the black kind. That's only going on the ends. This is why these are very, not stiff, but it's in place. It's not going to unravel. Of course, using my edges, I'm using the Edge Booster by Style Factor. I'm using the pink one, which is Lemon Berry. Smells amazing. And yeah, so I'm just going to quickly run through this and we're going to finish this head. Alright, you guys, so this is the finished look. I just gotta play around with it, you know. But yeah, this is it. So hope you guys did enjoy my video. Don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Like, share, comment on my videos. Follow me on my Instagram. I'll list it down below in the description box as always, and the products that I used today in this video. So I hope to see you guys in the next one, and alright, bye.